Okay, so welcome to Basic C++. This is video number 13, and in this we are going to have a small practical session on the if block. So I'm going to give a problem here. So write a program to input the marks of three subjects. These subjects are out of 100, and then calculate the average marks scored and the percentage of marks scored. Also calculate the grade based on the based on the chart given here. So if total marks is greater than 250, grade A. If it's greater than 200, it's grade B. Greater than 150, grade C. Greater than 100, it's grade D. If it's less than 100, then you just put a fail on that. So how would you go about this question? Take a look at this, assess the problem, try coding it on your own, and forward in this video we will go ahead and type this code out.
So we are going to go ahead and solve this problem. I'm going to start off with the basics, basic startup syntax. So yeah, now according to the question, we have three input variables, three different marks, M1, M2, M3, three different marks. We also have to calculate the average AVG and calculate percentage, and now let's since we have the variables ready, let's go ahead and ask the user to input the marks. Input the three marks. Once we've got 3 marks, we can calculate the average by M1 plus M2 plus M3 divided by 3. Now we can print that, see out the average marks scored is AVG. Next we need the percentage, so let's get percent is equal to 1 plus M2 plus M3 by 300, since that's the maximum marks you can score. Okay, I'm going to put that in brackets. If you do not understand how I put these brackets, just pause the video for a second and look at it. It's just basic math. And I'm going to multiply the whole of this term by 100 to get the percentage. And I'm going to put that marks scored is marks percentage of marks scored. Now coming to the grade. So for the grade we need the total, that is M1 plus M2 plus M3. So I will declare another variable called total, TOT, okay, or let's just keep it totals, okay. And I'm going to take total is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now let's go to the if statements. If total is greater than or equal to 250, right, we print cout what do we print? Grade A. Else if, at least if total is greater than 200, cout grade B. Else if, so we're just going on with the ladder, else if total greater than equal to 150, cout grade C. We have one more condition, right? Else if total is greater than equal to 100, cout grade D. Else it means it's going to be less than 100, so that's just going to be cout slash n. That's pretty much the program. Um, so let's just go ahead and try running this. So it's asking me for 3 marks out of 100. Let's say I scored 15.1, 16.1, and 17.1. So the average is 60. That's right. Percentage of marks scored is 0. And the grade is C. So why is the percentage of marks scored coming out to be 0? Percent is float, amount is on 50, 60, 70. Percentage of marks scored is 60. So why did it print 0 initially? That is because, as you can see, these are integers, and whereas the final variable is float. So for it to give an answer in float, it's good that we just put this as 300.0 and you will get the answer. Let's try another one. Let's say 17, 80, 90.